Hello, dear friends. In today's episode, we will talk about microplastics, which raise serious concerns for human health. This is about the number of plastic particles found in our bodies, especially in the brain. Most of us use plastic every day. Listen to what may be happening to you. Last year, in 2024, scientists found so much plastic in samples taken from human brains that it equaled the size of a plastic teaspoon. Scientists reported that there was a large increase in microplastics, up to 50% more compared to samples taken in 2016. The study also showed higher levels of microplastics in the brain samples of patients with dementia. Scientists compared those samples with a control group of 28 people who had died in 2016 and 2017. They discovered a significant increase in microplastic levels in the brains of people from 2024 compared to the control group. The largest amount of plastic was found in the front part of our brain, which is involved in our personality and executive functions. Most of us use plastic every day. In December 2024, a study raised concerns about black plastic used in kitchen utensils, which is more dangerous than white plastic. You need to pay attention to how you use plastic, how you store it. For example, leaving a water bottle in a car where it heats up, increasing exposure to microplastics. Plastic in the form of nanoparticles or polyethylene flakes can be found in plastic shopping bags, plastic packaging, and water bottles. Stores really sell everything in plastic. Scientists stated that we consume 5 grams of microplastic every week, and our brains contain higher amounts of it than other organs. According to research, these numbers have almost doubled in the last 8 years. Try not to put fruits and vegetables in plastic, and don't drink water from plastic bottles. Why doesn't the blood-brain barrier block this plastic? It does block quite a lot from entering the brain, but it does not seem completely effective at stopping these tiny nanoplastics from getting inside. And that is terrifying. These tiny particles enter our environment. They are in our oceans, rivers, and soil. We take them in with food and water, and then they accumulate in our brains, which may cause potential neurological effects. Moreover, microplastics can carry harmful chemicals that disrupt our hormones and damage our organs, especially the liver, lungs, and kidneys, where the highest levels are found. And yet, the liver and kidneys are supposed to detoxify our blood. We use water contaminated with plastic to irrigate crops, and even meat contains a lot of plastic because animals eat feed contaminated with it. Furthermore, food in plastic containers heated in a microwave causes plastic to leach into our bodies, into the digestive system, into the placenta of pregnant women, and into unborn babies, as well as many other organs. Scientists used advanced imaging techniques to identify and measure microplastics in brain tissue samples. They found various types of plastic, including polyethylene, polypropylene, and polystyrene. These plastics are commonly used in food packaging, textiles, and other everyday products. It's hard to eliminate plastic completely, but try not to store food in it and don't heat it in the microwave because heating releases it. Instead, use glass whenever possible. Don't use plastic cutting boards. Wear clothes made from natural fibers instead of synthetic ones. Don't use Teflon pans, which can also release harmful substances, and so on. The long-term health effects of microplastic exposure are still largely unknown. However, there are growing concerns that these tiny particles may have a range of negative effects. Some studies suggest that microplastics can cause inflammation, oxidative stress, and cellular damage. Plastic causes hormonal disruptions and interferes with how tissues replicate and repair DNA damage. People who have plastic particles in their bodies are also at higher risk of heart attacks and strokes. Add to this the consumption of processed food. There's a lot to think about here. Our skin is our largest organ, and everything you put on it gets inside, so try to wear cotton clothing. Moreover, we are also exposed through what we breathe, because nanoplastics enter our lungs, brain, and liver through the air. That's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. I'm really glad you're here with me, and I can't wait to see you in the next episodes. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and hit that thumbs up. Take care and have a great day.
I just quit my job to make videos for you. Please subscribe.